boys and girls, welcome to Gruvgear Guitar. We have a cool song here from Bruno Mars, Why You Wanna Fight. So let's not skip this one. We had Bruno Mars recently here on his channel, and this is a great song as well. So let's go into this one. As you can see, no need for any capo here. We have a challenge with all the chords. I believe it's around 10-ish chords or so. Once you get the hang of it, then it's pretty much straightforward. Let's go into this together and go through the chords. So we're gonna look into the D minor 7 first. Okay, so a lot of sevens in this song, so we're gonna start with D minor, open D, second G, first B, and first E. And I play a little bar there on the first E and B string. All right, so that's a D minor 7. Next is E minor 7. Very easy, guys. All strings are open, all 5 strings, except from that second fret A string. All right, so you just have to hold that second A. All strings open. That's the E minor 7. A minor 7 next. It goes open A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. We have the F major 7 now, and that will be third D, second G, first B, and open E. We have the C, third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. Then we have the GB chord. It's basically a G, but with this B instead, the bass. So that will be second A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. Next, A minor. Open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. Then we have the A7 sus4. So open A, second D, open G, third B, and open E. And that is very similar to the next chord, which is the A7. You just close in there that the third B will be now the second B. Everything else stays the same, and that is the A7. And they come right after each other, so that's great as well. Very easy transition. And finally, we have the E7. That goes open E, second A, open D, first G, open B, and open E. All right, so there we have all the chords. Let's see, yeah, actually 10 chords. Now let's go into the strumming, and we'll stay with the very simple 4-down strumming. Okay, so if you grab the first chord, D minor 7, you will play like this. I like to play the first 2 downs on the bass string, and then the third down on the higher strings down here to really get this high E or whatever it is. So bass, bass, and then top, and back to bass on the fourth. That will give us a certain rhythm. So could be hard to separate the bass from the top when you only have a chord that covers 4 strings. It's easier with the A minor and E minors and all that, but still that is a great sound to have when you play these 4 downs. And we also need to split this into 2 halves. So the first 2 downs will be part 1. We have in the chorus later, or pretty soon actually, we have to split it. Okay, so that is how you handle this. Basically, 4 downs is 1 string around. Now, let's go into the song, and we have the chords now. It starts with the D minor 7. We have an intro, I will skip that, but it's pretty much played like a verse. We'll come to the verse play soon, but we'll go right into the song and the singing. It starts with D minor, and you're gonna play 4 string rounds. So and then we go into the E minor 7, you play 2. And the A minor 7, 1 plus part 1, so that means 6 downs in total. And then you play the E minor 7, part 1 only, 2 downs. And then you go back to the D minor, 4 string rounds. The E minor, 2 string rounds, and now the A7 2, and that is the chorus. Okay, and we finished the chorus, and I just wanna tell you that this is pretty much a very simplified version, since a lot of things is happening in a good band, you know, they play and have these bridges with all these chords. Maybe we could double up these chords really to get all the nuances of the sound in a full band, but this is how we handle it, stripped down with a guitar, so just have that in mind. Now let's go into the verse play, and yes, we're gonna play the F major 7, 2 string rounds, then the D minor 7, 2, then we have C 1, the G B 1, A minor 1, and A 7 1. So C, G B, A minor, A7, then go back again to the F major 2, D minor 1, then E7 1, and then A7 sus 4 2, and A7 2. That is the verse play. All right. So after that, we have the chorus, and then the verse and the chorus, and it just repeats itself. Okay, guys. So it goes like that, back and forth every other time, chorus and verse, till about 3 minutes and 6 seconds in. That's where we hit the bridge. And what you're gonna play there for the bridge part is a verse play basically, but instead of playing the part that goes C1, GB1, A minor 1, and A7 1, you just stay with the A7 for 4 full string rounds. So that A7 4 replaces all these 4 chords, okay? Basically, otherwise it's just to play the verse play. And after that, you have the chorus, where you're gonna play in the same way as you play the previous choruses, no changes there. And yeah. Guess what, guys? You actually finished a song here from Bruno Mars, Why You Wanna Fight. A great song, and it has Bruno's DNA all over it. So give it a shot if you like his songs, and it's absolutely playable on guitar. So yeah, hope you liked this one, and if you did, feel free to support me here. You know how. Give me a thumb up if you like this tutorial, or just subscribe if you think you like my channel. Be back here for next upload. Till then, play tuned.